Hi guys! Nagluluto tayo ng homemade mang inasal. Magdamag na nakababad to. May lemongrass, calamansi, oyster sauce, ginger, garlic, soy sauce, at saka yung calamansi. At saka, Mountain Dew. So magdamag ng kababad. So we're going to enjoy mang inasal recipe.